ISPE's Expert Xchange series will feature an in-depth discussion on ICH Q9 and its revision. This regulatory summit will take place on June 9th on ISPE's virtual platform. Global regulators, including members of the ICH Q9 Revision 1 Expert Working Group, will participate in discussions on the background, issues, and status of the ICH Q9 revision, and they will provide perspectives on the current state of the application of quality risk management in the industry. Discussion panels at this summit will address practical implementation of the key focus areas of the ICH Q9 revision. Attendees will also be able to provide their thoughts to regulators on the training and other aspects needed to implement the updated ICH Q9 document. Through your attendance, you'll gain understanding of key Q9 focus areas and their practical implementation. You will better understand the consistent application of quality risk management, but most important, you will improve your communication with regulators during inspections and management of deviations. This summit is a must-attend for pharmaceutical professionals looking for a significant development opportunity to expand their knowledge base in the latest version of ICH Q9. I hope you'll join me for this event.